Welcome dear friends to my YouTube channel where you can learn English very easily. Today we are going to read very interesting topic and the topic is articles. Let us start with the definition. Dear friends, the words a, an and the are usually called articles. They are called articles as they have some special significance as the parts of speech. Types of articles. We can divide articles in two parts. First is definite article, that is the, and indefinite article, that is a or an. First point, if we wish the noun to particularize, we use the definite article. Like in the example you can see, let us bath in the river. So we have used the because we want to particularize the river. Second, if we wish to generalize the noun, we use the indefinite article. Like a tiger lives in a forest. Here, tiger is not specific and forest is not specific. So we have used a. Use of a. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant like mango. Dear friends, words beginning with the sound v, like a one-eyed monster. We can also use before words which are starting with the pronunciation u, like university. Use of an is used before any word that begins with a vowel, like an apple. Vowel sounds even if it begins with a consonant like an ma. Here M is consonant, but it is sounding like vowel. Before a word beginning with a silent H, like an R. Here the sound is like R. Use of A and N. A or N is used when it is mentioning someone or something single countable noun for the first time. Like I saw a man on the street. An old lady came to our house. Next one, A or N is used to indicate the unit. Like 100 centimeters makes a meter. Next, an ounce is enough. Next, A or N is used in the sense of one like to make a proper noun a common noun. Like he thinks he is a Ravindranath. Next one, he seems to be an Indian. Next one, A or N is used before an unknown name or surname. Example, a Jatin Babu called on you. It means we don't know Jatin Babu. Next, an Iqbal came here to collect some papers. It means I don't know who is Mr. Iqbal. Next, A or N is used in the sense of the same. Birds of a feather flock together. Next one, A or N is used to denote profession, trade or class, etc. Like he is a businessman, he is an engineer. A is used before dozen, hundred, thousand, million, etc. Like here are a dozen of bananas. A or N is used in the sense of each or per. Like he earns 500 rupees a month. He drives the car at 50 kilometers an hour. A or N, also the, is used to indicate a class as a whole. Like a cow has horns. An elephant never forgets. A or N is used before some words and phrases. Like I have a headache. He takes an interest in this. A or N is used in exclamatory sentence beginning with what? What a pretty girl. Next, what an awful remark. A and not the is used before the superlative most when it means very. He saw a most wonderful sight. A or an is used before few, little, lot of, good deal, great many, good many. Like, here are a lot of books. Many an admirer welcomed him. Use of the. The is used to refer to a person or thing when it is particular or specific. I have lost the book that you gave me. The refers to some things or someone already mentioned before. A thief entered our house. The thief was caught. Earlier we have said a thief, but now we are repeating, so we have used the thief. The refers to a person or thing that is well known to us. Let us enjoy in the park. The park we often go to. So we are using the. The is used when a singular noun represents a whole class. Like the lion is the king of jungle. The is used with the names of big water resources, group of islands, mountain ranges. Like the Indian Ocean, the Maldives, the Himalayas. The is used before the names of unique objects, ordinal numbers, and expressions like middle, top, only, same. Like the sun, the moon, the second girl, the whole class. The is used before the names of sacred books, newspapers, historical buildings. Like the Gita, the Times of India, the Taj Mahal. The is used before the names of nationalities and communities like the Indians and the Guptas. Omission of articles. The indefinite articles a and an are not used before uncountable nouns or names of meals like rice, news, lunch, breakfast. The indefinite articles a and an are not used before the names of seasons, parts of the body like winter, summer, heart, and stomach. No article is used before proper nouns, the names of languages and sports and cities like Rajesh, Sanskrit, cricket, Bikaner. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for such interesting videos, dear friends. Thank you for watching.